Good morning. It is October 4th and today is my birthday. And I am spending it here in French Polynesia on the beautiful island of Moorea, and look at this view. Oh my goodness. I fear this holiday has brought me to the conclusion that money can indeed buy happiness, because what do you mean? I have paid to stay in the beachfront villa so I can walk out here in the mornings to this gorgeous view with my cup of coffee and my thoughts, and just be at peace and happy and joyful. This is amazing. Just in this lagoon across from me, there are stingrays and blackfin reef sharks. There are whales out in the distance. I've been seeing them breach. Gorgeous mountains. It's just lush and beautiful. And the water is crystal clear. Yeah, I hate to break it to us guys, but we need the money. Oh, we need the money.